Students, we will start next part of this chapter, that is the sum of the first n term of an AP. See, consider an AP A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, and last term A plus n minus 1D. Here the first term T1 is equal to A, common difference D, and n term Tn. Now we will find sum of n terms of sequence. So we derive first formula. Now here I will write the Sn and first, second and third term step by step. So Sn is equal to A is a first term plus A plus D second term, third term, fourth term, so on, and this is the last term. Before find this formula, first see the another example. Here I write the number 11 to 20. Here the first number 11, last number 20. So addition of 11 and 20 become a 31. Then see the second number 12, second last number 19. Addition of 10 and 19 also 31. Then third number 13. Here the third last number 18. 13 plus 18 also 31. So on 14 plus 70, 31. 15 plus 16, 31. So here total number are 10 and we form the 5 pairs. That addition is a 31. So in this we form the number of terms divided by 2. So number of terms A, n and divided by 2. So 10 upon 2 we form the 5 pairs. So n upon 2 multiply first. Here T1 is 11. So first term plus last term 20. So we form this basic formula to find the sum of n terms. Now same here is the Sn and same the number of terms. Here the number of terms n divided by 2. Here the first term A, last term this. So A plus A, 2A. A is a first term T1 plus here remaining this part we write n minus 1D. So we form this another formula. So this is the another formula. So when we know the common difference and first term, then we use this formula. Otherwise then we use this second formula. So T1 plus T1 means for when we know first term and last term. So this is the our 2 formula. Now we start the practice set 3.3. Students, we will start the practice set 3.3. Question number first. The first term of an AP is 6 and the common difference 3 respectively. Find S27. First we write the given in what is the given in this example. So A is equal to 6. This is the first term. And common difference D is equal to 3. So we find out S27. Now to solve this example, we write the formula, the sum of the n terms. So Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Complete the bracket. Now we substitute the value in this formula. So Sn, so S27. So S27, here write we 27, n means 27 upon 2. Here 2 into A means first term. What is the first term? 6 plus n is a 27 minus 1 and D common difference 3. So simplify this 27 upon 2. 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 27 minus 1, 26 into 3. Now 27 upon 2. Here 12 plus 26 into 3 is a 178. Now 27 upon 2. Add this 12 plus 178. Sorry, only 78. So 12 plus 78 is a 90. Now we divide here 2 divided by 90. So we form 27 into 45. Multiply 27 into 45, that is 1215. So sum of this S27 is equal to 1215. Students, we will see next example of this practice set 3.3, the example number 3. Find the sum of all even numbers between 1 to 350. Here the word between, that between word is a very important. Between word means here 1 and 350 remove. We take between that numbers, or 1 or 350 exclude, and then we sum that all numbers. Then here we write the even numbers. Even number means which number is multiple of 2 and or the number which divisible by 2, that we called as the even numbers. So we see which are the even numbers. So we write here even numbers. So even numbers start from 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 348. This is the first term and this is the last term. Now we use the formula. First we find how many terms are in a n. So we first find out the n and then add that terms. So first find the n. We use the formula Tn. So what is the formula? Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, a is equal to T1 means first term, that is the 2. Then d is equal to difference. 2 and 4 difference become a 2. And n, that is we find the n become a Tn. Tn is a 348. Now we find this n. So put the value, substitute this value in this formula. Tn is a 348 is equal to a is the first term 2 plus n minus 1 and difference become a 2. Now 348 is equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2. So 2 cancel. 348 is equal to 2n. So n is equal to 348 divided by 2. So we form 348 divided by 2, we form the 174. So how many terms? 174. Now, then we use how many terms? 174 terms. We use the formula sum of these all terms. Which formula we use? Sn. So in this way, Sn, there is a 2 formula. But we use n upon 2 T1 plus Tn. Because this is the very easy. We know already what is the T1 and what is the Tn. So put the value in this formula. N upon 2. How many n? 174. So 174 upon 2. What is the first term? That is the 2. Plus, and what is the last term? That is the 348. So we write here 348. Now 174 upon 2. Here add 348 plus 2, 350. Now divide 2, here 350, so 174 into 175. Multiply this 174 into 175, we form 30,450. So here the Sn is equal to 30,450. We start this question number 4 in practice set 3.3. In an AP, 19 term is 52 and 38 term is 128. Find the sum of first 56 terms. In this example, first term be A and common difference D. So we write here solution. First term is equal to A. Common difference is equal to D. Now, what is given in this example? T19 is equal to 52. T38 is equal to 128. So, we find out S56. Now, in this example, we don't know what is the first term and what is the common difference. So, first we find out first term and common difference with the help of Tn formula. And then that value put up in a sum of this Sn formula. So first we find out the T19, put in a Tn, n term formula. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So T19 is equal to A plus here 19 minus 1 into D. So what is the value of T19? 52. So we write here 52 A plus 19 minus 1 18D. So we form A plus 18D is equal to 52. This is our first equation. Then we find this is put the value of T38. So again we use this formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. T38 is equal to A plus 38 minus 1 into D. What is the value of T38? That is the 128. So A plus 37D. So we form this another equation A plus 37D is equal to 128. This is the second equation. Now see this equation. We find out the A value of A and value of D. Here AA is a same coefficient but not the opposite sign. So we subtract equation. So we use the subtraction of equation. So we subtract the this equation 1 and 2. Instead of that, we find add these two equations because to find out A and D and then put value in a formula of Sn, that is the lengthy process. So this is the one special type of example. So first we add the equation 1 and 2. So add equation 1 and 2. So here first equation A plus 18D is equal to 52 and second equation A plus 37D is equal to 128. So add this equation 2. So A plus A 2A. 18 plus 37 is a 55D and 52 plus 128 that is the 180. This is the equation number 3. So we not find this A and D. So we use the sum of this formula. So Sn formula we use. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for we find the Sn S56. So right here S56. Here n means 56 upon 2. Here 2A plus 56 minus 1 into D. So 56 upon 2. Here 2A plus 56 minus 1 55D. Multiply D. So see this value 2A plus 55D in this equation number third. So 2A plus 55 equal to 2 is equal to 180. So 180 put the value here. So 56 upon 2 into 180. That is the value. So now divide this 180 into 2. So 56 into 90. So 56 into 90 we form the 5040. So S56 is equal to 5040. Next we start the question number 6. The sum of the first 55 terms of an AP is 3300. Find the 28th term. This 28th term means T28. So this is we find out. Now what is the given in this example? There is the first term 55, sum of the first term. So S55 is equal to 3300 and T28 we find out. Now here the first term become A. So first term is equal to A and common difference is equal to D. Now first we see the value of Sn value given in this example. So we use this value, we form the Sn, use the Sn formula and find the sum of these terms and then put the find the value of T28. So first we use the formula of Sn. What is the formula of Sn? So Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the Sn formula. So S55. So n means 55 upon 2. Here 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. So simplify this. What is the value of S55? That is the 3300. So 55 2 upon 2, 2a plus 55 minus 1, 56d. Here, now see here, value of S55 is 3300, 55 upon 2, 2a. Here 55 minus 1 is not 56. Here we write 54d. Now simplify this. So 3300, here divide, that side multiply, so and divide by 55 is equal to 2a plus 54d. So simplify this, we form the value of this become a 60 into 2. So is equal to 2a plus 54d. Here we common the 2. So 60 into 2 is equal to 2a plus 27d. 2 cancel. So 60 equal to a plus 27d. So we form this equation a plus 27d is equal to 60. So then we use the formula of Tn formula, n term of an AP. Find out the T28. So we use formula Tn. So a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn means T28. So we write here a plus n means 28 minus 1 into d. So a plus 28 minus 1, 27d. Again see here a plus 27 equal to 60. So put that value in this n term formula. So T28 is equal to 60. This is our T28th term.